Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homemade in Atlanta. My name is Ariel Pinkney. I'm a realtor with Realty 1. Today we'll be viewing Pink Box, which is a townhome community in Kirkwood, an area located on the east side of Atlanta and about 5 miles from downtown Atlanta. This area offers an in-town living experience for the young professional in a vibrant neighborhood. This community features 3-story, 2 and 3 bedroom floor plans currently priced in the low 400s. Today's video is sponsored by Hoover, and we'll be taking a look at the high-performance Swivel XL Pet Upright Vacuum. This vacuum is packed with everything you need to get a handle on those heavy shutters. One nice feature is the powerful motor and wind tunnel technology that creates a tight suction in corners and hard-to-reach places. Say hello to my furry friends Lola and Ellie. We will be using a few of the tools to make this cleaning process easier. We quickly cleaned their doggy bed, and you can easily see the difference comparing both sides. If you're interested in learning more about the high-performance Swivel XL Pet Upright Vacuum, click the link in the description box. If you would like more information regarding this home or any other home for sale in Atlanta, Georgia, please email me at homemadeinAtlanta@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.